Hey guys, welcome to Gilding Handmade. Today we are doing a Aliexpress craft supply haul video. Let's start with the small one. Okay. Doesn't look like what I thought it would look like. I bought these for it's a little problem. I bought these for journal front pages, journal covers, but on the picture it didn't show that in the bag there's a big metal piece. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, but it's very beautiful. Imagine just this on your journal as the opener. Maybe we can do something. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna leave this for later. Second package. How is everyone doing? What are your Thanksgiving plans? Okay, so in this one we have a few smaller stamps. This looks very familiar. I might have this in the same size or bigger. Or maybe the same woman, just in a different positions. But I thought this was like a really funny. She's so cute. And she's drinking, being a boss lady. And then we have this really sweet old couple sitting in the rain. Another old couple walking. Super cute. I love it. And it's a perfect size. The lines are so thin and there's a lot of room to color. Next one we have this couple. Again, old couples. It's really dark outside. That's why I have the light on. I hope you can see well. In California, it's getting dark at 5:15. So this one, the lines are very thin. Lots of room to color, but there's also a lot of teeny tiny details, which are gonna need a lot of attention. And if you're gonna color with the, if I'm gonna color with or you if you buy this, if we are gonna color with the markers, then we gotta be super careful because the details are so small. This one on the other hand, there's not a lot of details like in that one, so it's very easy to color. Nice. I like this one. I like these. Next one is this old granny, or is it grandpa? Not sure, but he's having fun. And this one is going on vacation. Yeah, I probably need that too, even though I was just in Turkey. Still a lot of details, but these are bigger details, so it's gonna be easy to color. I'm biking. It's very French. Oh, here we have the couples going on vacay. Ta-ta. See you. Au revoir. Hasta la vista. Toodaloo. Bye bye. Very cute. Love it. Both really good. A bigger stamp. This is a birthday stamp. I really like doing birthday cards because you can get really creative with it. A Bunnies. This is for Easter. Look at this. Ah, it's so cute. I love it. I don't have anything like this. This is the first one. This you can put on top of the little bird or even bunny ears. Super cute. Okay, the last package. Where did I open it? A few small ones. Is this a gift? Because I have multiple of this and I even put it in a giveaway. Where did I go? Oh, here. So we have bug and dragonfly, a big whole piece. Another bug, ladybugs. These go into the vintage elements. Let's see what else we have. These are nuts. So it's kind of like a woody bit. We have a die. It's not for this. Here we have flowers. Birthday. This kind of looks like a Christmas tree from like this, but now I'm not even sure. Definitely no room to color on this one. This kind of looks like an almond. I don't remember buying this. Sometimes when seller doesn't have something in stock, because they will put it out like they do have it in stock but they just run out, then they send something else instead, something similar. So a lot of the things I didn't buy. These ones, so good, especially for tags, little tags. These ones I put it on the wall, the inside of the wall of what is that? Shelves behind me. Spacing out, it's kind of late. Noel, Christmas. I gotta put this aside because it is Christmas time and time to make cards and all of that good stuff. Still have not found this one. Here we have a little kids Cupid, angel, and the witch. Very cute, very cute. Oh, I think this comes with the die. Yes, nice. Okay, so Moving Panda is the company. Here is the details. No, Moving Panda. You can find them on Facebook or Instagram, Moving Panda 123. They sent me 2 of these packages where I can store all my stuff in. Darts. Darts. And then this also going into the vintage elements. Then we have these flower tags. Very beautiful. In this one we can put a sentiment. These ones are always good. These are all vintage elements. And another vintage element. Very beautiful. These are not the kinds of stamps you color. These are just, you stamp it with a specific color that you want to use. So it just adds a little bit of accent to the page. And then last we have this poinsettia Christmas flower, the red one. Beautiful, I love it. There's room to color. Pretty small, so I don't think I'll be able to do a lot of shading on it. Maybe just a little tiny bit. These ones definitely not, but they are beautiful. And I also kind of like that the sentiments go in a circle. I don't have many of those. Okay, so I did not find a stamp for this. Nope. No stamp for this one. So this is a set for an old paper, and then that's the pen, and this is the ink bottle. Okay, that was it for this quick haul video. I hope you like them. I'm trying to make these shorter videos and just have more, but shorter ones, because I know you don't have a lot of time probably. So for your convenience, I'm trying to make these a little bit shorter. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Similar stuff on the links down below, and then open the links, scroll down, and then you'll find the recommended items where you'll find the treasure. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic rest of the day.